Birst 5 introduces a new graphical user interface for BI developers to quickly and easily model the relationships between data sources loaded into Birst, manage the properties of these data sources, write as needed scripts for custom data transformation and cleansing, and finally auto-generate and visualize the resulting star schema data warehouse model. Once data sources have been loaded into Birst, a BI developer is able to quickly define the key foreign key relationships between the various sources with just a few clicks. For example, I know that category ID in the categories data source is a foreign key in the products data source. I also know that product ID is a foreign key in order details. Order ID is a foreign key in order details. Customer ID is a foreign key in orders. And finally, employee ID is a foreign key in orders. In addition to that, I can also define the various properties of all the data sources. For example, defining which of the columns in a data source should serve as a measure of fact in the target data warehouse. As needed, I can also add scripted data sources to do custom data transformation and cleansing. Once I'm done with my logical modeling, I simply press the Update Warehouse Model button to auto-generate the corresponding star schema data warehouse. Birst takes care of automatically generating and maintaining data warehouse fact and dimension tables, all the join relationships, and the required processes for loading data into those tables. The green elements in the middle here represent fact tables. All of the orange elements around it represent dimension tables. Each connection between a source on the left-hand side and a dimension table or fact table on the right-hand side is a load script. Creating and maintaining all these tables and scripts manually using traditional data warehousing and BI tools is a very time and resource-intensive task. This new user interface and Birst's patent-pending data warehouse automation technology enabling very rapid iterative development of a BI solution. Developers can focus on the logical model underlying a business process rather than having to deal with the physical maintenance of the data warehouse.